welcome. In this video, we will show you Codesnap AI. This is a simple tool we can use to scan through our floor plans, whether we have any discrepancies or issues in our floor plan design and everything. Quick check against the jurisdictions and laws and coding compliances. So let me choose one of the sample floor plans that we have. We uploaded that sample floor plan, and here you can you can go through what pieces you want to check, like zoning compliance, accessibility. You can check building code, fire and life safety, jurisdictions. Currently we have all the jurisdictions in USA, and you can click on the building type or base type, and you can check the tick boxes, right? NFPA 5000 building code, NFPA 101 life safety, local building codes, and all of that. And if you have any custom requirements, you can write that so, and you can click on analyze compliance, and hopefully we'll be able to see the result. Oh, here we have compliance and analysis result. We uploaded one piece, 29 issues found, 3 critical. Let's see. Oh, this is the priority floor plan review, the 29 potential compliance issues, right? So it gives you all the compliance issues, whether it's critical, moderate, major, everything. You get a comprehensive report handy in this tool, right? So this is good for analyzing your floor plan against some jurisdictions, coding laws, and everything. We are updating this piece with, we'll be updating this piece with new regulations down the line. Yeah, so this is about Codesnap AI. Thank you.